Take command of the road in the 2015 Toyota RAV4. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power windows. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.